Hello everyone! So we're here today to interview our senior about agricultural automated machine. But before we gonna get started, we're gonna introduce ourselves first.
My name is Alia Salwasa Sabila.
My name is Faika Arlin Maulidenata.
My name is Navan Triadana.
My name is Asin Fortunia Putri Maria.
And we're from the fifth group and we're gonna interview our senior his name is Kak Hanura. And we're just gonna start now. Good afternoon, Kak Hanura. Okay, it's nice to see you. Okay, before we begin, we would like to thank you for the opportunity and your time. Your time and your perspective means a lot to this research. Okay. Before we begin again, we would like you to introduce yourself to the camera.
Hey everyone, my name is Muhammad Nabil Hanura. I'm from Environmental Engineering Program from batch 2024.
Okay, so now we're gonna move to the question we're gonna ask Kak Hanura.
Okay, I will start first a question. What is your general opinion about using automatic farming machines?
Okay, my general opinion about the automatic agricultural machine is it is the good and the excited idea because today we have not many farmer, so the automatic machine can make the growth is growing more than now.
Thank you, a question.
Okay, in the second question, in your view, do they bring more advantages or more problems?
Okay, first I will talk about the problem if the agricultural machine is more common in the farm. So in farming we have a big problem. I think the human is not gonna have a job and gonna be changed by the machine. But I think this not make the job is missing, but the job will change and the farmer will have the advantage more than the problem, and the farmer can get the not being changed, but the farmer can. Okay, so for the advantage, if the machine is more common, I think the farmer can get more advantage, like they can grow more and make the efficient for the farm. So the job is not gonna be changed. The job is not gonna be missing, but the job it will be changed, I think.
Thank you, Kak.
Okay, after your general opinion and your advantages and problems, maybe we're gonna move to the effect. How might small-scale farmers be affected compared to the large corporation?
Okay, so for the large corporation, I think they're gonna not have a big problem. They can manage and growth more than the large production because they have money and more human capacity in their corporation. But for the small producer, I think they will not have more growth than the large production. But if the small production can be cooperate with the large production, it will make the stability of the production, I think.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so for the sustainability, do you see long-term impacts on rural communities and agricultural labor?
Okay, for the rural communities, I think for the long-term impact is gonna make the more migration from the city to the rural communities. Why? Because I think the agricultural machine need more specific implementation, I think, because from the city we're gonna go into the rural communities and make the communities is growth, and I think the human from the city it will get more growth in the rural communities because of this because of automatic machine. Okay, so for the labor, I think can be growth because the migration can be happen from the city and make the intelligence of very of every labor is growth, I think.
Okay, I see. Thank you.
Okay, for the last question, what should be done to make this technology more fair and sustainable?
Okay, so for this technology, I think this will need the higher education, right? So like say in before question, the human from the city can go into the rural communities, so can make the education for every labor, so it can make the sustainability between the large scale production and a small production. So the large production can be cooperative too with the small production. So for sustainability, I think the large production and small scale production need to cooperate. So the gap between the large and small, it's not gonna be larger. Then it's make the technologies is more good for the large and small production.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, after all the question you answered so perfectly. Okay, thank you so much, Kak Hanura, for your time and your answers. Your perspective means a lot for us and so much valuable to our projects. Once again, thank you, Kak Hanura. Maybe you could say goodbye to the camera.
Okay, goodbye everyone.
Okay, guys, that's all from us.
Thank you for attention.
See you next time.
Bye bye.